Hey everyone, the Nubia Z70 Ultra has officially arrived, marking a bold leap in flagship smartphone design and performance. Packed with cutting-edge technology, this device is positioned as a worthy successor to the Z60 Ultra, bringing substantial upgrades across the board. At the heart of the Z70 Ultra is its BOE-crafted 6.85-inch AMOLED display, which delivers an exceptional viewing experience. The 144Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth visuals, while a peak brightness of 2000 nits makes it one of the brightest smartphone displays on the market. The resolution of 1216 by 2688 pixels ensures crisp image quality, and ultra-thin 1.25mm bezels further enhance the immersive feel, setting a new benchmark in display design. A 7th-generation under-display selfie camera with a 16-megapixel sensor has been refined with advanced algorithms to produce sharper selfies. The 430 ppi screen density above the camera allows for a seamless display experience without sacrificing functionality. Under the hood, the Nubia Z70 Ultra is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This new processor ensures blazing fast performance for gaming, multitasking, and AI-driven applications. Coupled with up to 24 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of internal storage, the Z70 Ultra is a productivity powerhouse, capable of handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. The Z70 Ultra takes mobile photography to new heights. Its 50 megapixels main camera, equipped with a 35mm lens and Sony's IMX906 sensor, introduces a variable aperture ranging from f1.59 to f4.0. This feature provides enhanced control over light and depth of field, delivering professional-grade shots in diverse lighting conditions. Supporting the main shooter are a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens and a 64 megapixels periscope telephoto lens with 2.7x optical zoom. Adding to the camera experience is a dedicated camera button, capable of half-pressing for focus and full-pressing for capturing shots, reminiscent of traditional cameras. Running on Nubia's Nebula AI OS based on Android 15, the Z70 Ultra offers a host of AI-driven functionalities. From intelligent photography enhancements to optimized power management, the software is designed to complement the phone's hardware capabilities. The Z70 Ultra is powered by a 6,150 mAh silicon carbon battery that supports 80-watt fast charging, ensuring quick top-ups. It also includes two-way satellite communication, offering reliable connectivity even in remote locations. The IP69 rating guarantees superior protection against dust and water, making it one of the most durable smartphones available. Available in black, amber, and a stunning starry night blue inspired by Vincent van Gogh's iconic painting, the Z70 Ultra offers a sophisticated aesthetic. The pricing starts at $635 for the 12 and 256 gigs variant and goes up to $870 for the premium 24 gigs and beer terabyte model. The Nubia Z70 Ultra is currently available for pre-order in China through ZTE Mall, JD.com, Tmall, and Douyin, with shipments beginning November 25th. A global launch is set for November 26th, bringing this flagship marvel to international markets. The Nubia Z70 Ultra is more than just a smartphone. It's a statement of what cutting-edge mobile technology can achieve. From its dazzling display and AI-powered software to its revolutionary camera system, the Z70 Ultra is set to make waves in the flagship market. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new phone? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.